Have you ever stopped to consider the incredible journey your brain has been on? It's a journey that began long before you were even aware of it. A journey that continues every single day of your life. From the moment you were born, your brain has been constantly evolving, adapting to every experience, every lesson, every challenge life throws your way. As a newborn, your brain was a blank canvas, ready to be painted with the colors of your experiences. Each smile from your parents, each new sound, each touch, all contributed to the initial strokes on this canvas. This remarkable organ, the command center of your being, never stops changing. Even as you took your first steps, your brain was busy forming new neural pathways, strengthening the connections that helped you balance and move. The brain's ability to adapt and reorganize itself is truly extraordinary. It's a dynamic landscape, shaped by the passage of time and the choices you make. Every decision, every thought, every action leaves an imprint on your brain, molding it in subtle yet significant ways. Just like a landscape changes with the seasons, your brain transforms with each passing moment. As we navigate the complexities of life, our brains are hard at work, forming new connections, pruning old ones, and constantly rewiring themselves. This process, known as neuroplasticity, is what allows us to learn new skills, adapt to new environments, and recover from injuries. It's a testament to the brain's resilience and flexibility. It's a delicate dance between growth and decline, and understanding how this process unfolds can empower us to take charge of our cognitive health. As we age, some neural connections may weaken, but others can be strengthened through mental exercises and healthy habits. The key is to keep challenging our brains, to keep them engaged and active. What factors influence these changes in our brains? Is it just the passage of time, or do our daily choices play a significant role? The answer lies in a combination of both. Our genetics set the stage, but our lifestyle choices, our environment, and our experiences all contribute to the ongoing evolution of our brains. How do our lifestyle choices, the stress we endure, and the activities we engage in impact this intricate organ? Stress, for instance, can have a profound effect on brain function, potentially leading to cognitive decline if not managed properly. On the other hand, activities like meditation, exercise, and continuous learning can promote brain health and enhance cognitive abilities. Let's delve into the fascinating world of brain plasticity and explore how we can nurture our minds for optimal well-being. By understanding the mechanisms behind neuroplasticity, we can adopt practices that support brain health, such as engaging in stimulating activities, maintaining social connections, and managing stress effectively. This journey takes us to the very essence of who we are, revealing the remarkable adaptability of the human brain and the power we possess to shape its destiny. By making conscious choices and fostering a positive environment, we can influence the trajectory of our brain's development, ensuring a healthier, more resilient mind throughout our lives. Just like the rest of our bodies, our brains experience natural changes as we age. These changes are part of the complex process of aging, which affects every organ and system in our body, including our most vital organ, the brain. By the time we reach our 40s, subtle shifts begin to occur in the intricate network of blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients to our brain cells. These shifts are often imperceptible at first, but can have significant implications over time. These vessels, once supple and elastic, may start to lose their youthful resilience, becoming slightly narrower and less efficient in their crucial role. This loss of elasticity can lead to a reduction in the efficiency of blood flow, which is essential for maintaining brain health and function. Imagine these blood vessels as the intricate network of canals that nourish a bustling city. Just as a city relies on its canals to transport goods and resources, our brains depend on these blood vessels to deliver oxygen and nutrients. Over time, these canals might experience some sedimentation or narrowing, slightly impeding the flow of essential resources. This sedimentation can be likened to the buildup of plaque in our arteries, which can restrict blood flow and lead to various health issues. This gradual change in blood flow is a natural part of aging, akin to the subtle lines that etch themselves onto our faces over time. These changes are a normal part of the aging process and are not necessarily indicative of any serious health problems. While these changes are generally not a cause for concern, they underscore the importance of adopting a brain-healthy lifestyle. Engaging in activities that promote brain health, such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mental stimulation, can help maintain cognitive function as we age. By making conscious choices that support our vascular health, we can help mitigate the impact of aging on our brains. This includes eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, staying physically active, and managing stress effectively. Understanding these subtle shifts in our brain's plumbing is the first step toward making informed choices that support our cognitive vitality as we age. By staying informed and proactive, we can take steps to preserve our brain health and enjoy a higher quality of life in our later years. Social engagement and lifelong learning are also crucial components of a brain-healthy lifestyle. Staying socially active and continuously challenging our minds with new skills and knowledge can help keep our brains sharp and resilient. Practices such as mindfulness and meditation have been shown to have positive effects on brain health. These practices can reduce stress, focus, and enhance overall well-being, contributing to better cognitive function as we age. Regular medical checkups are also important for monitoring brain health. Early detection of inflammation, more effective management, helping to maintain cognitive function, quality of life. Ultimately, by understanding the impact of aging on the brain, proactive steps to support it, we can enjoy a fulfilling, vibrant life well. Embracing a holistic approach to health and well-being is key to aging gracefully and maintaining cognitive vitality. While aging plays a role in shaping our brains, our lifestyle choices wield a powerful influence as well. The way we manage stress and the activities we engage in can significantly impact the health of our brains, for better or for worse. Imagine stress as a persistent drizzle that slowly erodes the foundation of a once sturdy structure. Chronic stress, if left unchecked, can take a toll on our brains, leading to changes in brain structure and function. On the other hand, engaging in mentally stimulating activities like reading is like providing our brains with a steady stream of nourishing sunlight and fresh air. Reading strengthens neural connections, promotes brain plasticity, and enhances cognitive reserve. It's a classic tale of two paths, one leading to potential decline, the other paving the way for a thriving, resilient brain. The choices we make each day determine which path we're on. By understanding the profound impact of stress and mental stimulation, we can make informed decisions to cultivate a brain-healthy lifestyle. Section 4. Trapped in the grip of stress cortisol and the brain's SOS. Stress, that ever-present companion in our modern lives, triggers a cascade of physiological responses within our bodies, and our brains are not immune to its effects. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, stress can be a constant presence, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and physical health. When we encounter a stressful situation, our adrenal glands release a surge of cortisol, often dubbed the stress hormone. This hormone is part of our body's natural response to perceived threats, preparing us to either fight or flee. Cortisol, in small doses, is essential for our survival. It helps regulate various bodily functions, including metabolism, immune response, and blood pressure. In moments of acute stress, cortisol provides us with the energy and focus we need to navigate challenging situations. It sharpens our senses, heightens our awareness, and primes our muscles for action. This is why, in the face of immediate danger, we can react swiftly and effectively. However, when stress becomes chronic, our bodies remain in a perpetual state of fight or flight, and cortisol levels remain elevated for prolonged periods. This constant state of alertness can take a toll on our physical and mental health. Imagine cortisol as a vigilant security guard, always on high alert. While this heightened vigilance is helpful in short bursts, prolonged exposure to cortisol can have detrimental effects on our brains. Over time, high levels of cortisol can lead to a range of negative outcomes. It can interfere with memory, impair cognitive function, and even shrink the hippocampus, a brain region crucial for learning and memory. This can make it harder to concentrate, remember information, and make decisions. High levels of cortisol can interfere with memory, impair cognitive function, and even shrink the hippocampus, a brain region crucial for learning and memory. This can lead to difficulties in retaining new information and recalling past experiences. Understanding the intricate relationship between stress, cortisol, and brain health is crucial for mitigating the negative impacts of chronic stress and safeguarding our cognitive well-being. By recognizing the signs of chronic stress and taking proactive steps to manage it, we can protect our brains and improve our overall quality of life. Techniques such as mindfulness, regular exercise, and adequate sleep can help lower cortisol levels and promote brain health. Additionally, seeking support from mental health professionals can provide valuable strategies for coping with stress and maintaining a healthy mind. Section 5. A page a day. How reading rewires your brain. In a world dominated by screens and instant gratification, the simple act of reading might seem like a quaint pastime. However, beneath the surface of this seemingly passive activity lies a powerful tool for shaping and strengthening our brains. Reading is far from a passive activity. It's a vigorous workout for our brains, engaging multiple cognitive processes simultaneously. As we decipher words, follow narratives, and immerse ourselves in different worlds, our brains are hard at work, forging new neural connections and strengthening existing ones. Imagine your brain as a vast network of interconnected pathways. Every time you read, you're sending electrical signals along these pathways, reinforcing them and creating new routes for information to travel. This process, known as neuroplasticity, highlights the brain's remarkable ability to adapt and change throughout our lives. Reading, therefore, is not merely a source of entertainment or information, but a powerful form of brain training, enhancing our cognitive flexibility, expanding our knowledge base, and fostering a lifelong love of learning.